guys, welcome back to another TNS video. So today I'm gonna be baking, not like a not traditional, but like it's an easy bake just to start off with. So it's basically this mug and you make a cake out of it. So I'm gonna be doing that today. So before we do it, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss one of my amazing videos. Let's see if you can do that in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you didn't do it, you're not part of the pack, so make sure you're part of the pack. Alright, now without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we need, it's like this type of mug, and it's got all the instructions and you make a cake in there. So number 1, it says you need cocoa powder. So I'm just gonna open it up. Brand new. My head's so cold. Alright. Cocoa powder. Right. Then we need, so how much cocoa powder do we need? 1.5 tablespoons. Is that 1 tablespoon? Maybe. Let me just do a half. Guessing that's a half. Quite poundy with that, obviously. I don't get how this is going to turn into a cake though. I really don't. Oh, this smells good though. Oh, there's like stuff inside. Alright. We need to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is going to be so unhealthy. Is it tablespoons or teaspoons? TBSP is tablespoons. Yeah. Well, it says 3 tablespoons of sugar. I don't know. Maybe I can just do 2.5 or 2 and a bit. Because it's very sweet. That's what it looks like. Well, the sugar's like kind of combined, but alright, and then we need we need 1 tablespoon of flour. I assume that would be self-raising flour because it's a cake. It should turn into a cake. So I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm guessing that's right. So how much? 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Yeah, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Right. 1.5. Alright. Now, so we've got that much. And then we need, okay, and that's done. Do you have to like mix them? Should we just like, it's not in the step, it's not in step 2. Step 2 is like add an egg. No, they're like the steps. And it says add, and then step 2 is like add an egg. So do we add an egg? Well, yeah, obviously. Free range eggs. I'm gonna like move the camera. It's not very good for this, isn't it? Right. Oh, let's go with this spotty egg. Fun fact: with eggs, whatever is like the freckliest means it's gonna be like an orange yolk, and orange yolks and eggs are apparently really good. So let's crack this egg. Oh, that's a good crack. Right. Right. Whoa. I'm actually making. Right. I'm gonna go and throw that in the bin. Alright, so just wash my hands from the eggs. It's a bit still there, but that's fine. Because obviously egg is like poisonous. It's not good, but it looks like that. You've got the yolks, yeah. Okay. You're only gonna see, you can't really see my head. Ugh. Wait. I've got a new setup. Right, so now you can see what I'm doing, and I'm also sitting down. Right, so that's what it looks like. You've got the yolk and stuff. Now what's it say? It says we need to mix it. So kind of coming together. I'm gonna like. Oh, it's starting to thicken up now. Very well. Wow, that's getting thick. It's getting quite thick. Wow. Very, 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 very thick. Oh. I'm gonna eat this. Alright. Should almost probably get like a mini whisk. Do you have a mini whisk? Right, so I've swapped it out with a mini whisk. Hopefully it will do better with a mini whisk. Don't ask why we have a mini whisk. Just, yeah. I'm gonna hold it with the magic handle. You guys are getting a whole load of my hands. Okay, that's mixed. Alright, so now it says to add some chocolate. 1 tablespoon of chocolate. Well, I think it's already chocolatey enough, so I think I'm just gonna add milk. It says 2.5 tablespoons of milk. So I'm just gonna go and get a milk. Alright, so I've got the milk and I've got a tablespoon. It's the exact same one because I'm gonna have to wash all of this up. So it's just I washed it up because I didn't realize I was gonna need it. So it says 2.5 tablespoons. So, right, 1, 2.5. There. Yay! I've done it! Right, I'm gonna go and put the fridge in my milk. The milk. Right. So now it says, oh, I'm gonna mix it because it doesn't say mix it, but I'm gonna because it says after this step it doesn't say mix again, but I don't know why. But I'm just gonna mix it. Alright guys, so that is now done. It's a nice consistency, it's quite thick. So it now says to do 5 minutes in the microwave. 5 minutes in the microwave, so I'm gonna go and do that. So because if I didn't, that would be a bit of a problem. There we go. Right, done. Right, I'm going to go and put that in 5 minutes. And I'm going to wait 5 minutes to see what the cake will end up like. And I do have some stuff I could build on it. Right guys, it is done. So let's see what it's like. I need something to hold it with. I think it was meant to just plain flour. Oh, look at that. That is like proper. That looks, it looks cooked. I'm just gonna move the camera a bit closer. It does look cooked. Right, so this is what it looks like. It looks cooked. I can't promise anything. Oh no, I'm gonna decorate it. That's right. Alright, so I thought we had scraped cream, but we have even better double cream. So let's just put a bit in. Oh no, no. Yeah. Of course. Okay, wasn't expecting that to happen. Because it kind of leaked everywhere, I'm gonna go like that and put it on here. That. Aha! Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. No, it's doing it again. That was on a piece of paper. Right, let's try. Oh, it's going in. Oh. Wow. I've got nothing really to say, really. It's alright. Okay, now I can add cream in without it going everywhere. Oh, that's quite stiff, actually. Oh, that is very stiff. Okay. It's quite chewy, and it's not light, it's quite heavy. I'm not gonna say I wouldn't recommend it, but I'm not gonna say that I would, because it's okay, and it's not the worst cake, but it's not like a bakery's cake, if that makes sense. But I mean, it's a microwave cake, what was I expecting? The good thing about it though is that it's warm. I wouldn't be able to have it if it wasn't warm. I just can't believe it just came out. Like, look. I've got nothing to say. It's not bad, but it's also not good. Like Maybe you weren't meant to have self-raising. Maybe it was plain. It's definitely cooked enough, so that's good. Alright. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Make sure you watch to the end to see a clip of Nugget, to see what he's been up to during the week. And I guess there's only one thing for me to say, and that's goodbye, and I'll see you next time on TNS The Nugget Show. Bye! Come on, Nugget, I need to fold up this stuff. So you get the toy. Once you've gotten the toy, you don't get it. Come on. Off we get. Good boy. No. Don't get... Oh, no. He's like, stop moving me. Come on. Just need to fold this. You like get it. Please. This isn't done anything to you.